Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change game visual preset for ASUS TUF Gaming laptop. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Start, you can click on the Start as well, and then find Armory Create Program. Alternatively, you can also open it by clicking on the button that is above F4 button on your keyboard. And now we can navigate to the game visual. Right here you can change to different presets. For example, we have racing, scenery, or RTS RPG, and many different presets. Select whichever one you like, then you'll be able to adjust the color temperature as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.